Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm gonna be giving my first reaction or first thought about this Onyx Youth Magnetic Mask, and I just want to let you guys know that this post or this video is sponsored by Onyx Youth, but of course my view and my opinion is on my own, or is 100% my own. So this is still packed, as you guys can see. It's still sealed. This is the box that it came with, and yeah, I'm super excited to use this. So let's get started. I am so bad at opening boxes, but okay. So this is how it looks like inside, or what it has inside. This is the spatula, I believe. You scoop the product, which is this one, and it has a magnet. This is how it looks like. I believe this is the magnet. So yeah, because it's heavy. So, and I have a magnet head cover, and this is the product itself. I just figured out how to open this. I was like, I twisted and opened it, and I was like, okay. And it's actually like this, so you just put it back and then twist it, and it's, you know, like it's locked. Okay, so let's start. Oh, it smells good. Oh, I have something there, so I'm just gonna scoop a little. Oh my gosh, I don't know which one I'm gonna be using, this side or the other side, but let's try it this side. So I'm just gonna put it on my cheek. I'll put a little bit over here too, and then let's just spread it. By the way, my face is clean already, so yeah, let's just spread this all over my face right now. It feels like warm on my face. I feel like it's getting warm, at least, you know. I gotta get some more. A little bit goes a long way. I just have to spread it evenly and nicely. What if I put it with my, or if I spread it with my fingers? On the packaging it says avoid putting it on my eyes, which I don't really need to put it on my eyes. You know, this is for our skin, for our face, forehead, nose. Okay, I am getting tired using this spatula, so I'm just gonna use my finger to spread them. By the way, this is gritty. It's like there's a little sand to it. So I'm just gonna use my fingers. It's okay. I'm gonna have to massage it all over my face anyways. It feels good. Oh my gosh. It's like there's like little sand, or you know, like stuff that exfoliate your skin. It feels like that. Okay, so before I opened this package earlier, before I put this on my face, I already read this paper that came with it. So the retail price is $109.95 at onyxyouth.com. It's gonna be right here. I'm gonna be giving you guys that information later too on the description box. And this one is made in Korea, high quality. It has luxurious ingredients, and you know, I love K-pop beauty. I love Korean skincare. It's just amazing, not just because I'm Asian. I'm not Korean, but I'm Asian. But you know, their skincare is just awesome. I just love it so much. And this face mask technology is the most exciting new way electromagnetically purify your skin, leaving it cleansed, toned, and enriched with vitamins and minerals. So as we age, skin loses its moisture, elasticity, resulting in fine lines. While I am 37 years old, and yes, I am, you know, like gradually seeing that I'm getting fine lines all over my face and everywhere else. And yes, elasticity is like I'm losing it because I'm 37 years old. But Korean skincare scientists have worked for decades to create a solution to revitalize and reverse the aging process, or at least maybe to make it a little slower. And so this one, the healing properties of magnet therapy have been used to promote health and well-being since the earliest civilization in India, Egypt, China, Greece, and Middle East, and 2000 years later. So I believe the magnet, before I've heard about it, that like the healing what is that energy of magnet. So this is, I think, what it's like doing. And of course the minerals and all this active or luxurious ingredients that is on the magnet or the mask itself. So magnetic skincare therapy is a true skincare advancement that can restore your natural beauty, transform skin's elasticity, firms and reshape facial contours. So yeah, I am all for it. But yeah, so what it says is I have to put it on my face all over, and a little bit goes a long way, and I have to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna be putting magnet head cover on this magnet head, of course, and I'm gonna be cleaning it, or I'm gonna be using this to like get all this stuff from my face. So let's see how it goes. So I just want to tell you guys how it feels like. It feels really good on my face. It feels like it's like kind of like warming. It has like, I don't know, it just feels so good on my face, and I'm just waiting for the magic, like I don't know, it just feels so good, and I'm just so excited for the result of this. It says so it says use 2 to 3 times per week, and it's okay, or the mask is safe to use with any skin type. I'm gonna be able to use this at least twice a week, so it feels like I'm gonna be pampering, and I'm at the spa for like like cheaper. I'll be doing it at home. I actually haven't been in a spa. I also want to read this part to you guys. The cutting-edge technology of the Onyx Youth Magnet Mask relies on the process known as microcirculation, which uses magnetic filings to stimulate the blood flow through the thousands of microscopic blood vessels into your face. So yeah, there we go. I am super excited for this, and yeah, let's just wait like 5 to 10 minutes and we'll take this out. Okay, so 10 minutes has passed, and I'm gonna be putting this magnetic head cover now on the head, or the magnet head. And let's just take this out. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And you slip this in there. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Okay, let's do this. Oh. So that's how it looks like. Oh my gosh, it feels super good. Ooh, I like it when like you're taking it off like a little bit far from your skin, because it like magnets it. Oh my gosh, I just want to let you guys know that my lashes are the magnet ones, so it's kind of like attracting it. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. This is like luxurious. Let's see if it takes it all off by itself. Oh my gosh, my lashes are like flicking. Where's the other one? Oh my gosh, my lashes is over here. Let me just take these lashes off. So I'm just gonna take my lashes off because this is like ridiculous. It's taking my lashes off of me. Oh my gosh. And just let it go with this magnetic wand or magnetic head. So I'll just take some of it with my wipe over here. So I'm just massaging all this leftover cream all over my face and just leave it like that. So this is how it's like. It feels like it's really good on my skin, and my skin feels like refreshed and just, I feel like exfoliated too at the same time, you know? Like I feel like I exfoliate my skin really good. So yeah, it feels so good. I really like it. So I'm just gonna be putting the link down below on the description, guys, to know where to get it. So yeah, I really feel good with this mask. This is like something else. I just love it. I really like it. Anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.